all the best to you for 2025. Happy New Year. And I wish that, you have a very safe, productive, and, well accomplished 2025. Now, for those persons who are new to this channel, I'm Roger. I'm the founder of Global Technologies. We are a tech entity. We do business consultations. We work a lot with entrepreneurs, small businesses. We do a lot of networking activities. I'm going to be reviewing this tool in this video. It's a Skil Powercore 20. It's a drill driver. Yeah, so if you are a DIYer, if you have a trade and you're thinking about a drill, perhaps something more on the budget side, check out this video. All right, so let's get going. Now, this is a Skil DL527502 model. It belongs to the Powercore 20 system. So it's within this ecosystem, and the battery can be used. The battery is universal, so it can be used, along, well, not along, but among the other Powercore 20 cordless power tools, right, from Skil. Now, they're saying here that the battery will give a longer runtime. Also, the battery life, will be twice extended. And of course, I mentioned the Powercore system, 20 system. Now, in terms of the drill, it actually came, there are three things that came, well, four things actually that came with the drill. So the drill driver, the charger, battery, and this bit here. All right, so dual ends. Now the battery is a 2 amp battery. Of course, the drill is a 20 volts drill. All right. Oh, I should have mentioned too that it also came with this belt clip, which pretty neat. If it came detached, so I had to attach this. It feels pretty sturdy. All right. The thing about it is that I have not really fully put this to the test in terms of hardcore work. Hopefully in the coming days, I have the assumptions that we have to execute on that. We'll be using this in. All right. Now at the base of the drill, there's a light there. Yeah, so this is really intended to help. If you're working in an area which is not properly lit, it's a little bit, different from what I'm accustomed to. Because up to recently, I was using a DeWalt drill driver that had the lights in the truck there, 3 lights. All right. Now, in terms of the build quality, I think it feels really good. In terms of the weight, it's not really light, but still not too heavy. Right, and the plastic, system here, it seems fairly professional. Of course, bear in mind that this is not a Milwaukee drill. It's not like the Milwaukee M18 fuel drill, but it does, as I said, it doesn't really seem all that inferior, even though it is a budget drill. All right, now what I like about it, well, of course, here is the trigger. One of the things that I like about this is that it has these 2 indicators here for reverse and forward. So currently it is in forward, and see the indicator lights up, indicating that. Yeah. And for put it in reverse, yeah. And of course, positioning this switch here, this indicator here in the middle, would actually lock the trigger. All right. Now it has 2 gears, 1 and 2. Now here is the gear selector. So this has 17 gears, and of course, the lower gear would give less torque, and the higher gear would give you more torque. It also is a drill driver, and it also has the indicator here. So if you are boring holes, then that is the indicator that will be selected. Now this is a keyless truck, and of course you work the truck clockwise and anti-clockwise, based on if you're tightening or opening the truck. This is a 1/2 inch truck. As I mentioned, it came with this bit here. Drop that in there, and you're tighten up, and then you're good to go. All right. And I think I mentioned that it is a battery. Well, it's a 20 volt drill. All right. So that's pretty much it. As I said before, I think the build quality is pretty good. So if you are thinking about a drill which is more on the budget side, you may want to check this out. All right. And of course, we have the the charger. The thing about it is that when I just got it, they were like about 2 bars. That's it. I'm used to some drills, I'm used to some drills having the charge indicator at the back here. That's why I was looking there. All right. So when I just got it and checked the battery status, it was like about 2 bars, and then it was put to charge. I think like within about half an hour, less than half an hour, thereabout, it was fully charged. All right. So I haven't really used it fully to test it in terms of how long it will take to charge if the battery is fully drained. Right. And of course, I intend to get another battery, because when you go out there to do these jobs, it's very important to have multiple batteries, so that if while you're working, one battery is drained, you don't have to wait to charge this, or perhaps you may not even have the facility to charge. All right, so that's it. That's the Skil Powercore 20, and it's the DL527502 model. So that's the Skil Powercore 20 drill driver. Thanks for watching. Before you go, please hit that like button if you got value from the video. Share the video. Also hit that subscription button and the notification bell, so that when I upload new videos, you'll be automatically notified. See you again in the next video. Take care.